Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making braised elk short ribs with coffee and dark chocolate. This recipe takes 45 minutes to prep and 4 hours to cook. Serves 8 to 10 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 6 to 8 pounds elk short ribs, 1/4 cup flour for dredging, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 large onions, 4 carrots, 4 celery stalks, 1 head garlic, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 cups cold brew preferred strong coffee, 2 cups Zinfandel or Côtes du Rhône red wine, 4 cups beef stock, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 3 ounces 70 to 85% cacao, dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons ancho chili powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoons cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons masa harina, 2 tablespoons lime juice, and 1/4 cup fresh cilantro. Step 1. Preparation. Pat ribs dry and season with salt 30 minutes ahead, at least 30 minutes. Dredge in flour just before searing. Step 2. Searing. Heat Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown ribs in batches on all sides, about 12 to 15 minutes total. Remove and reserve rendered fat. Step 3. Aromatics. Reduce heat to medium. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery in rendered fat until softened, about 8 minutes. Add garlic and tomato paste. Cook 2 minutes. Step 4. Spice blooming. Add spice mixture, except chocolate, stirring constantly for 1 minute until fragrant. Step 5. Deglazing. Add coffee, scraping up browned bits. Add wine and bring to gentle boil. Add stock and return ribs to pot. Step 6. Braising. Cover and cook in 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 3 to 4 hours until fork tender, 195 to 205 degree F internal temperature. Step 7. Sauce refinement. Remove ribs and strain braising liquid. Defat and return to saucepan. Bring to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 8. Chocolate integration. Whisk masa harina with warm liquid, add to sauce with chocolate. Simmer 10 minutes until smooth and thickened. Step 9. Finishing. Add lime juice and adjust seasoning. Serve ribs with sauce, garnished with cilantro. And that's how you make braised elk short ribs with coffee and dark chocolate. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.